Hello YouTube, Consulting Joe here with another quick video. I just wanted to show people, because this is kind of new to me, but maybe it's been around a little bit, but you can kind of do some formatting in your YouTube comments. So just to show you, I've got some italicized comment, and then I'm also showing some bold text. Just to demonstrate how to do that, you can use a really cool plugin called TubeBuddy, which makes things a little nicer and adds a couple features to your YouTube. But you don't need it. What you can do is, hey there, just to show, if you highlight it with the plugin, you'll see these buttons. Without the plugin, if you want to bold, you simply add the asterisk on either side, and with the plugin it will give you an example of what that looks like. So you can also do Italics and you just select your text and hit that, and if you don't have the plugin, you just simply do an underscore and an underscore, hold shift and the dash key, and then finally you can do Strikeout, and that Strikeout text will look like that. So those are just dashes on either side. So it's pretty neat, cool new little feature in YouTube. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more